But so now what we basically there are certain points that we've raised that have to be resolved. So they've given us a commitment to finish it by the 15th of May. In addition, also we're looking at asking the PWD for help to basically break open those old Portuguese drains that we have also. We said those and to get those done. Sanjit will brief you on the rest of the. Thank you.
सर मिटींग आपली कितें कितें डिस्कशन जालें
रिव्यू हाल्ली न्ही रिव्यू बरे भशेन जालो डेट्स रिव्यू केले कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक सगळ्यांक कशें काम चल्लां कितें करता तें पळयलां काम चालू आहा
आज जो आता पाऊस पडलो तर त्याचा कितें इफेक्ट आहा कशें कितें तें म्हणजे प्रोसेस
कामा बद्दल थोडो इफेक्ट आशिल्लो पावस पडला त्या दिसा काम करूंक मेळना दुसऱ्या दिसा काम करूंक मेळना वॉटर टेबल्स हाय आसा मॅनहोल सगळे फ्लडेड आसात सो एक 2-3 दीस फाटीं
सो डेट पोस्टपोन केल्या
ना डेट काय पोस्टपोन करूंक ना आमी शिफ्ट वाडोवपाचें केलां पंप सुबेज घाल्या डेट वाडोवपाचें आनी चान्स ना आनी डेट वाडोवपाक
फर्स्ट मे लास्ट डेट
ट्रायंग आवर बेस्ट टू कंप्लीट
बट अनेक कलेक्टर सांगता की इलेक्शना पयलीं सगळे रोड्स क्लियर करूंक जाय म्हणून
7th May is election. If there is any hindrance towards polling stations or towards any election related machinery, I will have a meeting with the collector and we will see that these areas are cleared.
any major discussions to the topic
Not really. Storm water drainage बरी चर्चा जाली आनी म्हाका दिसता स्टॉर्म वॉटर ड्रेन कनेक्शनाची करपाक जाय ती आमकां ह्या पावसान कळिल्ली आसा सो वी हॅव अंडरस्टूड वेर आवर फोकस शूड लाय एंड वी आर फोकस्ड ऑन क्लियरिंग दीस bottlenecks at various intersections of drains and roads. So focus from today will be on that. Of course the road pavements will go on, but a renewed stress is being given on connecting drains.
Sir, there were certain stretches to be opened for vehicular traffic. Will that happen, sir?
The existing stretches of work going on.
Yes, some stretches where work is nearing completion, sir.
Yes. So I'll give you an example. A road near in front of the Kunga Devara Road, in front of Hindu Pharmacy, from Church Square to Hindu Pharmacy going to Customs House. We were supposed to complete that road on the day of the showers. So though we are ready, moisture level is high on the road, water stagnation has been there on the road. We have to wait for it to dry. So to that extent it has been delayed. So there are a couple of stretches which have been delayed because of moisture levels. We cannot put bitumen at this high moisture level. Quality will suffer. We have told them to wait, and we will somehow complete it in the next 2 days. Just going by how the situation of moisture improves.
Sir, Mayor has blamed Smart City for the flooding. What do you like to say?
See, I decided and I have spoken on this also. This is not the time to blame anybody. Mayor has his views. He is the mayor of the city. We respect his views. We are working together, and I think all agencies have come together for Panjim. Panjim has to get the benefit of this work, and I would not like to comment on this, but I can say that we are putting our best foot forward. We have understood the gravity of the situation, and all efforts are being made to see that Panjim gets this benefit by completion of this work.
So
let us not go. I will not discuss people. You discuss work with me.
Okay.
I
So,
cannot discuss
Instruction
people.
to contractors, the perfect instruction मिळालेला
Yes, contractors, 1 or 2 contractors who have delayed have been pulled up again. We have taken some action. We'll see.
ते पुलीस स्टेशनार कितें आफयला कशें ह्या करून दिलें
We will comment on it later. Some action is being proposed. We will comment on it later.
So this time 18 June road will be not flooded because now you have told कि we will do everything.
See, the entire connection aspect where we have worked, I think it will be okay. But there are certain stretches where work has not happened as part of smart city work. This meeting today we discussed this. So we are going to see through PWD, through smart city, through municipality what we can do to tap and desilt these large drains which are not part of the existing work.
So what could be the reason for this? Every time the 18 June road is to be flooded.
See, there is it is the lowest point in the city. There has been some the discharge from this point has been slow or non-existent due to silting of drains, passing of services through these drains. Wherever we have done work, clearance of these services to the edge of the road and making a path clear for drains has happened. In this area it has not happened, it has not been taken up. It is a process and I think entire city should be covered with such a process so that drains are opened and made free of services.
Thank you.